In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design an interactive button in Figma tailored specifically for beginners. First, let's head over to Figma, which is known as a widely used collaborative interface design tool. If you don't already have a Figma account, you'll need to sign up, but for our purposes today, assume you already have one. Once you're on the Figma homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen, so it should be easy to find. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the Figma homepage. This is where all your recent projects and team activities are displayed. If you're new to this, take a moment to get familiar with this interface, as it's the central hub for your design workflows. It's from here you'll select or open any file you wish to work on, including creating new designs or updating current ones. Now we'll proceed by clicking on one of your available files. If you're starting fresh, create a new file. It's crucial to have a workspace ready, especially one that is untitled or open for new inputs, as it will serve as our canvas for designing the interactive button. Once the file is open, locate and click on the action section from where you can execute various design tasks. Here comes the fun part, searching for interactive buttons. Within your Figma interface, navigate to the search bar and type in interactive buttons. This is where Figma's library of resources really shines, as it provides a plethora of interactive button designs you can base your project on. After browsing your options through the search results, click on the Smart Button Generator. This tool is invaluable for anyone aiming to create interactive elements without starting from scratch, as it simplifies the button creation process with customizable templates and settings. Finally, once you have explored the Smart Button Generator and found a style that resonates with your project vision, click on Generate Button. This will create an interactive button customized to your specified settings and preferences. At this stage, you can tweak additional properties such as color, size, and interaction states to ensure your button integrates seamlessly into your design. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully designed an interactive button in Figma. Take some time to experiment with different styles and features Figma offers. Remember, the more you play around, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for watching and happy designing.